Welcome back to Benevolent Psychology, the channel where we explore transformative insights for self-development, empowerment, and emotional well-being. To all our returning subscribers, thank you for being an essential part of this community. Your engagement and support mean the world to us. And if you're new here, welcome. We're so excited to have you join us on this journey toward personal growth and discovery. In today's video, we'll be diving into how to find peace through gratitude. Life can often feel overwhelming, but embracing gratitude has the power to shift our perspective and bring a sense of calm and contentment. By the end of this video, you'll learn actionable ways to incorporate gratitude into your daily life, unlocking a greater sense of inner peace and fulfillment. So, whether you're looking for a fresh perspective or a simple tool to bring more harmony into your life, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. Life can feel chaotic. We face challenges and stress every day. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, but gratitude can help us find peace. Gratitude shifts our focus to what we have. It helps us appreciate the good in our lives. Let's explore how gratitude can transform our lives. Gratitude goes beyond mere politeness. It's not just about saying thank you, although that's a beautiful start. It's about cultivating a deeper sense of appreciation in our daily lives. True gratitude is a deep appreciation for the good in our lives. It's about recognizing the beauty in the mundane and the extraordinary alike. It's about noticing and acknowledging the gifts we often take for granted. From the air we breathe to the people we cherish. Think about the simple things: a warm cup of coffee on a chilly morning, the sound of laughter, a breathtaking sunset. These moments are treasures. These small wonders hold immense power to uplift our spirits. They remind us of the joy that can be found in everyday life. When we pause to appreciate them, we invite joy and contentment into our hearts. This practice can transform our outlook on life. Gratitude also extends to the people in our lives. It's about recognizing their presence and the love they bring. It's about valuing our relationships and acknowledging the positive impact others have on us. This recognition fosters deeper connections. Expressing gratitude to loved ones strengthens our bonds and creates a ripple effect of positivity. It encourages a culture of appreciation. By shifting our focus to the good, we begin to see the world differently. We start to notice the abundance around us. We cultivate a mindset of abundance, recognizing that even amidst challenges, there is always something to be grateful for. This mindset is empowering. This shift in perception is the foundation for lasting peace and happiness. It's a journey of finding joy in the present moment and embracing life fully. The benefits of gratitude aren't just anecdotal, they're deeply rooted in science. Research shows that practicing gratitude can literally rewire our brains for happiness. When we experience gratitude, our brains release dopamine and serotonin, neurochemicals associated with pleasure and well-being. Gratitude strengthens the prefrontal cortex, aiding decision-making and emotional regulation. It helps us think clearly, manage stress, and build stronger relationships. Incorporating gratitude into daily routines cultivates lasting happiness and well-being. The beauty of gratitude is that it's accessible to everyone, regardless of their circumstances or background. There are simple yet powerful practices we can incorporate into our daily lives to cultivate more gratitude and enhance our well-being. 1. Gratitude journaling. Take a few minutes each day to write down things you're grateful for. This can be transformative. It could be anything from a delicious meal to a supportive friend, or a small act of kindness you experienced. This practice shifts your focus to the positive and helps you appreciate the abundance in your life. 2. Gratitude walks. Combine nature and gratitude by taking a walk to appreciate the beauty around you. Notice the colors of the leaves, the intricate patterns, and the way they change with the seasons. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, and let it remind you of life's simple pleasures. Listen to the birds singing, and let their melodies bring peace and joy to your heart. These small wonders can bring immense joy when we take the time to appreciate them. 3. Verbal appreciation. Make a conscious effort to express gratitude to others. This strengthens relationships and creates a positive environment. Tell a loved one how much you appreciate them and let them know the impact they've had on your life. Thank a colleague for their help, acknowledging their efforts and contributions, or simply smile at a stranger. A small gesture can brighten someone's day and create a ripple effect of positivity. Spreading kindness and appreciation creates a ripple effect of positivity, making the world a better place for everyone. Explore different ways to practice gratitude and see what works best for you. Make gratitude a conscious part of your daily routine. Over time, you'll notice a significant shift in your perspective and overall happiness. Many have found solace and strength through the simple yet profound practice of gratitude. Countless individuals have experienced profound transformations in their lives through the power of gratitude. It's a practice that transcends age, background, and circumstance, bringing light into the darkest of times. One such story is that of Melissa, a single mother struggling with financial stress and anxiety. Her days were filled with worry, and nights were sleepless as she grappled with the weight of her responsibilities. Feeling overwhelmed, she decided to start a gratitude journal. Every night, she would write down 3 things she was grateful for, no matter how small. Over time, Melissa noticed a shift in her perspective. The act of focusing on the positive aspects of her day began to change her outlook on life. She began to focus more on the positive aspects of her life, like the unconditional love of her children and the support of her close friends. Her anxiety lessened and she felt a renewed sense of hope and resilience. The gratitude journal had become a tool for her to reclaim her peace and strength. Another inspiring story is that of John, a businessman who had achieved great success but still felt unfulfilled. He realized he had been so focused on his goals that he had stopped appreciating the simple joys in life. John decided to incorporate gratitude walks into his daily routine. These walks became a time for reflection and appreciation. As he walked, he would consciously notice the beauty of nature, the sound of his own breath, and the feeling of the ground beneath his feet. This practice helped him reconnect with himself and find peace in the present moment. The gratitude walks became a sanctuary, a time to recharge and reflect. These are just 2 examples of the countless lives that have been touched by the transformative power of gratitude. Each story is unique, yet they all share a common thread of finding peace and joy through appreciation. When we embrace gratitude, we open ourselves up to a world of possibility and peace. It's a journey of the heart, one that leads to a deeper connection with ourselves and the world around us. Gratitude. A journey, not a destination. Gratitude is not a destination but a journey. There will be days when it's easier to focus on the negative, but we can choose to seek out the good, however small. Cultivating gratitude is a lifelong practice, a conscious choice. It's about shifting our perspective and embracing abundance. Embracing gratitude. Start your journey today. You don't need to wait for a special occasion to start practicing gratitude. The perfect time is now. Reflect on the simple things you often take for granted: a roof over your head, food on your table, the love of family and friends. Choose one gratitude practice and commit to it for the next week. Write in a gratitude journal, take a gratitude walk, or express more appreciation to others. Notice how it makes you feel. You may find yourself smiling more often, feeling more connected to others, and experiencing a deeper sense of peace and contentment. Join the gratitude movement. Connect and share your journey. Gratitude is contagious. Share the transformative power of gratitude with others. Encourage loved ones to start their own gratitude practices. Create a gratitude circle to share experiences and support each other. Spread gratitude to create a ripple effect of positivity. Together, we can cultivate a world of appreciation, kindness, and peace. Gratitude isn't just a habit, it's a lifestyle. By focusing on the good, you can transform not just your mindset, but your entire experience of life. So, why wait? Start practicing gratitude today, and watch how it unlocks peace and clarity in your life. Before you go, don't forget to check out the pinned comment below for a thought-provoking question related to today's topic. I'd love to hear your insights. Your perspective truly matters. Sharing your thoughts is a great way to reflect, inspire others, and connect with our community. Be sure to join the discussion. And always remember, our mission here at Benevolent Psychology is to empower your mind, one video at a time. Stay focused, stay positive, stay motivated, and we'll be back with another video soon.